This is Novo Shop I channel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Sekhukhune United 0. Brother, how's it?
I'm fine, and you?
Good, man. Your name and your surname?
My name is Pancho.
Yeah.
And my surname is Kate.
Yeah, and then your take on the game tonight?
I'm a resident of Atteridgeville.
Paley.
Yeah, and my favorite team is Mamelodi Sundowns.
Kabuyeli.
Yeah, you see today's game.
Yeah.
First of all, I was proud about the first selection of Sundowns.
Yeah.
This is the selection of today. It reminds me the game after of Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
This is what the coach he should have done the first game when we play Pirates.
Oh yes.
Because most of our players they've got fatigue. So that fatigue it results that most of the teams that we play, they plan on those people that we're using regularly.
Exactly.
So today it was different because of rotation, because of the substitution as well. They've put those people who have experience. So it was very difficult for Sekhukhune to maintain their performance.
Exactly.
This is what our coach he must learn from now on after Pirates game, that we need to use our youth.
Youth, exactly.
Because of we cannot rely on our old age players. So, and secondly is that Sekhukhune, not only Sekhukhune, most of the PSL team, what they do, they have adapted. They've got the narrative that Sundowns, the only way to beat Sundowns is to defend.
Big time, exactly.
So you score a goal and then you park the bus. But today they failed to do that. So Sundowns has capitalized on that. So it's a learning curve for Sundowns that most of the time when they play each and every game, they must not relax. First minute, stop playing the ball at the back.
Exactly.
Because these teams, they put 5 players in front of you, knowing well that you are going to play short passes, and then it's one they pick up the ball. But unfortunately today, Sekhukhune couldn't make it. I'm happy for Sundowns and the supporters. So the next game of Kaizer Chiefs, Kaizer Chiefs, I know they won't pack the bus. They want to go all out. Pound for pound. That's why it becomes difficult for them to beat Sundowns. So I think maybe they can change this time if they want to beat Sundowns and pack the bus. That's the only way you can beat Sundowns.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Sure.